What we got here today is an old distributor from who knows which engine. Is Mercedes from the 60s. Definitely it's not the 51 that I need for the Pagoda for the 127. So I will just take it apart. It's at this moment this thing is totally dead, so I will just take it apart and see what happens. See if we can salvage anything out of it. I know some of you may say that I'm a little rough, but you know what, this piece is at this point nothing's working. It's totally dead, so it needs to be fully rebuilt and stuff. So I just want to make sure I don't strip any screws or anything like it. If I can save something, it's a bonus. Okay, so we'll take the compensator out. Still one more screw inside. Okay, as you can see, I don't know how well you can see that. There's okay, let me take this guy out. See, there's a compensator assembly right here. We'll take this out and the whole thing hopefully will pop out. So maybe what I'm gonna do is zoom out a bit so you get a better view. Yeah, so looks a little better. I know maybe the light is not perfect, but the idea here is to get this thing disassembled, not to make the production out of it. Yeah, those those wires like halfway rotten. That doesn't, I gotta tell you, good you can't smell nothing in that video, because it's definitely not a pleasant smell here. I gotta get it out of the okay, get this guy out. Alright, this out, that out. So, well, look, it's not even rusted on the inside. Like, wow, so probably it was there right from the beginning, because it's not that compensator, that vacuum compensator is not working. So I don't know if I can rebuild that. I can open it up and see, like, lubricate that, but the main membrane is probably gone anyway, so yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, what's this, 6, 7, that's another 6, where's, okay. You know what, I did soak all those bolts. I mean, they are dry now, because I attempted to kind of do something with it a month ago maybe or so, so I did have some penetrant on it. It definitely helped, and I didn't have time to work on it. There's so many other projects and stuff, plus I don't really want to waste time on it, to tell you the truth, because I don't have high hopes for it. So I'm just curious if I take everything apart, and maybe Okay, got this guy out. It's not in my way. This guy out. I shocked the screw, so this one was easy actually. No, I'm surprised. I'm surprised that penetrating fluid works really well. It's, I mean, it's been soaked in there a long time, but it really works. Wow, almost all of them. Almost all of them. There's only a few more screws left on the outside. It doesn't look too healthy from the outside, and it doesn't look. You know what? It looks like someone put new points in it like some time ago, but everything else is rusted like hell. So, yeah, there's so much play on the shaft too. It's not even funny. Okay. So now, I'll take this guy out too. Grab it from the inside. Oh. Ow. Just gonna pull this guy out. Okay, he is out, and one of the washers went down. Okay, so that's how it goes. All right. Wow, this thing is nothing but rust. Okay, let's take the points out. Maybe I can move it here. Well, there's just a little screw. No, maybe a smaller screwdriver will work now. Yep. Okay, so we get that out. That holds the points. Okay, and the whole assembly should slide out. And it does. As you can see, just that one little screw. Yeah, that definitely looks like it was replaced before, but everything, I'm surprised. Somebody goes to the trouble of replacing this points assembly, yet leaves everything untouched, like doesn't even clean that. Like, that's ridiculous. Okay, so this piece is next. see if we can remove this guy. Too bad the light is not the greatest here, so I will try to remove this guy here to remove the whole plate. Yeah, no axis, no axis. Let's see if we can grab it with those needle nose. Nope. Okay, I gotta go get another tool and come back here, so I'm gonna pause for a sec. So I'm back here, and you won't believe it, what worked here. It's the wire strippers. I try to use a different screwdriver and nothing, but then the wire strippers, just, you know, that very end of them really worked. It's a small screw though, so yes, I got the guy out. We can take that little stopper out. And okay, wow, now the moment of truth. Okay. Wow. Okay, so we got this taken apart. It's all covered in rust and stuff. It's one, from what I can tell you, one arm is extended a few degrees, the other is collapsed all the way, like between left and right. They're definitely not the same.